front left of the house. Roof raft, truss framing rotten and splitting with moisture damage along some of the deck boards. The engineered truss framing has been cut and the web removed. Recommend proper framing for roof support. Same thing here, it's been cut. Alright, we're starting on the back left side entrance by the water heater. As you can see, improper P-trap. We got PVC to ABS at 2 locations, actually 3 locations, and they should use a green glue which allows it to adhere well. We're missing straps on some of the water lines and the drain lines, and I don't know if that 2x6 is actually going to hold it. And then we have some sagging on the rest of the pipe and sagging further down. And I'll zoom in. Alright, I'm on the left hand side of the house where all this PVC and ABS and where the vent stack goes up. See that water dripping? So we got a leak dripping from the sill. A lot of damage to the subfloor where this rusted strap is. A lot of moisture damage over here. You know what this might be? This might be that shower. I think it is the shower. I think the shower pan's leaking. That's where that's got to be coming from, the shower pan.